Hi guys, good to see you again. In today's video I would like to talk about modals of deduction. What are modals of deduction? They are modal verbs that we use for deduction, which means using evidence, information to make a guess whether something is true or not. And today we will focus on deductions about the present or future. Sally, I think we might be in trouble. We forgot to return the car in time. Oh, it may not be that bad. Why didn't you call them? Nobody's answering. They could be really busy today. What shall we do? We use may, might, or could in situations when we are not 100% sure about something, but we think it's possible.
My dog is not here. Could be outside. I'm not completely sure if my dog is outside, but that's a possibility. The children are quiet. They may be asleep. I don't know if the children are asleep, but I think it's possible because they are so quiet. Take a jacket with you. It might be cold later. I'm not 100% sure if it'll be cold later today, but usually it gets colder in the evening, so it is possible that it will be cold later today.
There must be a different way to let them know. Should I send them an email? Good idea. We use must when we are 100% sure that something is true.
I forgot my keys. They must be on the table. I'm completely sure that my keys are on the table because that's where I always leave them. Tom's been running around all day long. He must be tired. I'm sure that Tom is tired because being tired is a normal consequence of having been very busy. Her shoes are not here. She must be outside. I'm sure she's outside because in order to go outside, you need to wear shoes.
Do you think that the exercises I include in my videos are not enough?
Good news!
I've just launched an Etsy shop where you can find grammar and vocabulary exercises. Check it out, link is in description. And now, back to the video. Okay, send. What do you think? How long will we wait for someone to reply? It can't be that long. The website says they reply to messages within 2 hours. We use can't in situations when we think that something is not possible.
That can't be Jill. Jill's hair is blonde and curly. It is not possible that this person is Jill because I know Jill and this person doesn't look like Jill. That can't be true. You're lying. I know the truth and it's different from what the other person is saying. That's why it is not possible for the other person to be telling the truth. They can't be here so early. They left 5 minutes ago. I know it's not possible for them to be here so early because it takes longer than 5 minutes to get here.
Let's move on to the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!